নমস্কাৰ। অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগৰ 2022 বৰ্ষৰ GS পেপাৰ 2 ডিছকাশ্যনৰ পাৰ্ট 6লৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। Question number 59. In the following two arithmetic operations, the numbers are correct, but the operators are all mixed up except the equal sign. 1. 9 plus 5 is equal to 20 into 25. 2. 76 divided by 60 is equal to 64 minus 4. Under this new use of operators, which of the following operation is valid? Option number A. 7 plus 35 divided by 3 minus into 4 minus 7 is equal to 0. Option B. 35 minus 4 plus 7 divided by 7 into 3 is equal to 0. C. 4 divided by 7 into 35 minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. D. 7 into 35 minus 7 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. Answer is D, that is 7 into 35 minus 7 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0 hobo. Question number 60. If x plus 2y is equal to 2x plus y, then x square divided by y square is equal to, option number A, this is 0, B 1, C 2, and option number D is 4. Answer is option number B, that is 1. Question number 61. A and B start walking in opposite direction. A covers 3 km and B covers 4 km. Then A turns right and walk 4 km, while B turns left and walk 3 km. How far is each from the starting point? Option A दिसे 5 किलोमीटर, ऑप्शन बी दिसे 4 किलोमीटर, ऑप्शन सी दिसे 10 किलोमीटर एंड ऑप्शन डी दिसे 8 किलोमीटर। আপোনালোক এ আৰু বিৰ স্টাৰ্টিং পইণ্টৰ পৰা ফাৰৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চ হ'ব অপশ্যন নম্বৰ এ, দিট ইজ 5 কিলোমিটাৰ। Question number 62. In a row of 40 students, Saurabh is 24th from the left and Sachin is 26th from the right end. How many students are there between Saurabh and Sachin? Option A दिसे 10, ऑप्शन बी दिसे 9, ऑप्शन सी दिसे 8, ऑप्शन डी दिसे none of the above. Answer is option B, that is 9. Question number 63 লৈ আহিছোঁ। A garden is 24 meter long and 14 centimeter wide. There is a path of 1 meter wide outside the garden along its side. If the path is to be constructed with a square marble tiles 10 cm into 10 cm, then find the number of tiles required to cover the path. Option A দিছে 2000, option B দিছে 4000, C দিছে 8000 and D দিছে none of the above. আপোনালোকে এনসাৰটো পাব option number C, that is 8000. Question number 64. Two cars are moving in the same direction with a speed of 45 km per hour and distance of 10 km separate them. If a car coming from the opposite direction and meets these two cars at an interval of 6 minutes, its speeds would be A 45 km per hour, B 55 km per hour, C 65 km per hour and D 75 km per hour. Answer আপোনালোকে কৰিলে পাই যাব 55 km per hour. 65. The speed of a boat in a still water is 10 meter per second and the speed of the stream is 6 meter second. If the boat is moving upstream and again the downstream, what is the ratio of time taken to cover the particular stretch of distance in each direction? Option A दिसे 2:1, option B दिसे 3:1, option C दिसे 4:1, option D दिसे 6:1. Answer होगा option C, that is 4:1. 66 क्वेश्चन खुदिसे the average weight of the class of 15 boys and 10 girls is 38.4. Total student all 25. जार average per student kg ওলাইছে 38.4. If the average weight of the boys is 40 kg, and what is the average weight of girl? Option A दिसे 36 km, option B दिसे 36.5 km, option C दिसे 35 and D दिसे 35.6 kg. Answer is A, that is 36 kg average weight of the girl. Question number 67 লৈ আহিছোঁ। The identify the correct statement or statements from the following. Of statement 1 দিছে the word emoji has its roots in the English word emotion. The word emoji is blend of two Japanese words for picture and letter. 3. Shingitaka Purita is considered to be the founding father of today's emojis. And statement 4 दिसे Steve Wozniak, one of the founder of Apple, is considered to be the founding father of today's emojis. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Code option A दिसे only 1, option B दिसे only 1 and 4, option C दिसे only 3 and option D दिसे only 2 and 4. Answer is option B, that is only 1 and 4 is correct. Question number 68. Identify the incorrect statement. Haptic communication is a form of non-verbal communication. A handshake is an example of haptics. Haptic communication is via the sense of touch and the origin of the word haptic is Spanish. Answer is D, that is the origin of the word haptic is Spanish is incorrect statement. বাকি তিনিটা statement শুদ্ধ হয়। The capacity of sense other people emotions together with the capacity of imagine what someone else might be feeling is called A sympathy, B understanding, C empathy and D caring. Answer is C, that is empathy. Thank you.